दमन मेरो अतलिनु पढ़ने
what पढ़ने
अतलिनु पढ़ने
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kya Science World. So today, since the weather is very pleasant, my friends and I, we have planned for this picnic. So we are going to the eco park. We are about to reach. Iram is tying her hair because it's hot. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I will enjoy creating it for you guys. If you guys can see, this street is named after Lal Bahadur Shastri. This is called the Shastri Street, and you can see here, this is a memorial for late Lal Bahadur Shastri, 1904 to 1966, and this street is named after him. We've been walking for the last 15 minutes to be honest. So here we are, Eco Park, and this side there is ITA, International Talent Academy, and this is the Eco Park. So we have entered the park, and it's like a huge park. Like there are two sides, this side and this side. Also there are pretty exciting things, like, you know, I'll show you guys in the map itself. This is the whole layout of the eco park, and like if we go below, like there are different layers of it. So if we go below this area, there are lawn tennis court, basketball court, badminton court as well. First we are going this side because we can find, you know, since it's pretty crowded, we first want to look for a place to sit and settle our things. Then I'll show you guys more. You can see a family out there setting up their picnic spot. There's a tower out there from where we can see the entire park. So many people. Oh my god, it seems to be, we have come here before, but like that day it wasn't this crowded. Today it's like so many people are there. So we finally found a place for ourselves. There is this huge tree, and in the trunk I've set my phone as well. So now we will settle down everything, like the bed sheet I've brought with me and all the food items. Then I'll show you guys. So we finally settled now, and I have Iram and Bali with me. So we are first planning to have our lunch because we are hungry, and then later we'll play some games, and I've also brought a book with me to read. I'll show you guys the games area as well, which is, you know, just below this area, and also the tower. So yeah, let's eat first. So the first item we have is some sweet strawberries. These are like very sweet. Usually I don't get like sweet strawberries, it's always sour, but this one is sweet. Then we have drinks like, you know, the lemonade and mojito. Homemade sandwiches. It's a little crushed because we didn't have big lunch boxes to put in. So yeah, these are egg. They are playing volleyball, so you know, anytime the ball can plus, that's why. So these are the sandwiches, and the last item, which was really important, you know, for my reels and my shorts, is this. We had bought macarons and, you know, chocolate mousse cake from Safia, but it got crushed and the chocolate was melted, which is a pity, but never mind. Hiram and Bhargav, they had gone to get some pizza, Bellissimo pizza. They changed the covering today. Last time during the Ramzan time, it was different. Like so many people were there, and we have some strawberries also left and our drinks. There are still so many people you can see, and so many children. They are playing volleyball, basketball, badminton out here. This is the book that I'm reading. Again, I'd already read it once. I wanted to read it again, so yeah. And then this is the guitar. So first we will eat. After this we will, I think, shoot some reels and some shorts. She took the insect out and she's eating, you know.
इंसेक्ट नहीं था वो, उससे चॉकलेट का था लेकिन फिर भी निकाल दिया.
It's not chocolate. It wasn't chocolate. That was insect. The volleyball just came and hit Iram on her arms, no? And Iram was like,
इधर से बॉल आ रहा है, इधर से बॉल आ रहा है, पता चला इधर से मेरा ऐसा गिर जा.
Now we will go and shoot some videos for reels and shorts, guys. So please don't forget, check out my Instagram as well as shorts, because it takes a lot of hard work to make these videos. So please give lots of love to it. You can check out my Instagram page as well as my YouTube shorts. So I will put down my Instagram page out here so you can scroll through it. So right now we are like trying to shoot this reel, which is getting a little tough because we are not finding the right location or the right tree and the angle and all the stuffs, but still we are trying to. And yeah, we've kept Iram with the bags because someone has to look after the guitar and the bags as well. So it's such a pretty location, but we can't find that perfect tree. So our one shot and one reel is done. So now we will be moving on to our next location. You can see the place, it's really beautiful. Like so many people are here. There's a lake also out here. There's a basketball court out there. Here we have the Silk Road Theatre. Coca-Cola. There's a beautiful lake out here and the cathedral at the back. Tashkent. I love Tashkent. BFit. I think this is a membership thing where you can, play lawn tennis out here. You guys can see that they are playing. Then there's a volleyball court out there and a basketball court upstairs. That is a table tennis court. Done with the second reel as well, and now we are moving on to another location for another reel because my exams are coming up, so I won't be able to shoot or edit videos. So beforehand only I'm like planning the reels and shooting it so that I don't miss out on content. Tower. Let's go up. Now we are going to the place where Iram is sitting, but look at the baby, she's so cute. There are so many cute babies here. I feel like playing with them. You guys can see that volleyball is a very, very famous spot out here because everyone's playing volleyball out there, out here, out there. That's Iram. So we are just done with shooting all the reels and shots as well as some pictures, and now we will be playing the guitar, I think, and also maybe some games, and then we leave. Exams are coming up, so it's gonna be pretty hectic, so please stay tuned for the exam vlogs as well. Guys, I am also like learning guitar. Iram is also learning the guitar. Initially we started out with electric guitar because Bhargav has an electric guitar. He bought an electric guitar here, but this is acoustic, and this one is one of our friend David's guitar. So it's very difficult for me to shift chords quickly right now, so I'm practicing that only. We are playing Ludo because we wanted to play Uno, but we don't have Uno right now, so we are using this iPad only to play Ludo. So let's start the game. Renji, Iram, Kelly. Play. We've started the game, guys. We have some Chinese people playing badminton right in front of us. So I'm asking Iram if she can understand because she watches a lot of C-dramas, not K-dramas, but C-dramas. You guys can see. Iram is red, I'm green, Bhargav is blue.
वो माया नहीं होगी मेरो सारा माया तिमीलाई नै छ ओ मुस्कानम हराई सके खुशी छु तिम्रो साथ पाएर नछोड्नु है यो हात कहिले point of noted भोलि दुला यो संसार तिमी न भए तिमी मुस्कुराउँदा मन मेरो अतलिनु पर्ने अतलिनु पर्ने
हेलो गाइस, स्ट्रॉबेरी खा लो। yes, this is it for today because you know the weather is starting to get pretty chilly, and my friends and I, we are like, you know, wearing very summery clothes, so they are feeling cold, like Iram is like literally shivering. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, you know, short impromptu picnic vlog as much as we enjoyed filming it for you guys. Thank you for all your love and support. Each and every subscriber of mine is like my YouTube family. I love you guys very much, and please like, share and subscribe my videos and share it with your loved ones. And like I told you guys that from next week my exam is starting, so I won't be, you know, posting other content, so I will be making exam related vlogs, so stay tuned for my exam vlogs as well. So yeah guys, lots of love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, toodles.